Hello little scientists, welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. Have you seen a fish fly? In this video, let's make a fish fly with the help of magnets. From the Intelli SMART Box, take out the Magnetism Activity Kit. Take out the magnetism model parts, ring magnet, neodymium magnet, paper clip, white thread and fish cutout from the magnetism activity kit. Let's know the magnetism model parts. Base plate, short side pillar with circular slot, long side pillar, big triangular plate, small triangular plate, wooden spindle, circular discs for wooden spindle and O-rings. You will also need a pair of scissors from your home. Take the base plate and place it on a table or any flat surface. The circular mark on the base plate should face upwards. Now, take the short side pillar and the small triangular plate. Note the extended bits in the small triangular plate. This and this. Also, observe the vertical slit in the short side pillar. Insert the extended bit on the side of the arrow, this one, into the vertical slit in the side pillar like this. Now mount an O-ring on the extended bit of the triangular plate to fix it with the short side pillar. See, now it is fixed. Insert the other extended bit of the small triangular plate into the slit in the base plate. The extended bit of the short side pillar will also get fixed into another slit in the base plate. Mount O-rings on the two extended bits to fix the short side pillar and the triangular plate. This and now take the long side pillar and insert the two extended bits of the big triangular plate into the slits present on the long side pillar like this. Mount O-rings on the two extended bits of the triangular plate to fix it with the long side pillar. Insert the other extended bit of the big triangular plate into the other slit in the base plate. The extended bit at the base of the long side pillar will also get fixed into another slit in the base plate. Mount the O-rings on the two extended bits to fix the long side pillar and the triangular plate to the base plate. Now, take the wooden spindle and its two circular discs. Now, insert the smaller circular disc into the extended bit of the wooden spindle. Insert this small circular disc and the spindle assembly into the circular slot present on the short side pillar. Attach the bigger circular disc on the extended bit of the wooden spindle like this. And now mount an O-ring on this assembly to fix it properly. Now, take one neodymium magnet and place it on the hole present at the top of the long side pillar from the inner side. Hold it with your hand. Now, stick the ring magnet to the back side of the long side pillar, just behind the neodymium magnet. If the neodymium and the ring magnets are not attracted to each other, then flip the ring magnet. Your flying fish base structure is now ready. Now, take 50 cm, that is approximately half of the total thread from the steel bobbin, and tie to the wooden spindle. Take the other end of the thread and pass it over this small slot, this one, at the edge of the short side pillar. Now, tie this end to the paper clip. Take the fish cutout and fix it into the paper clip, like this. You can take your parents' help for doing this. Bring the fish close to the neodymium magnet. You will observe that it sticks to the magnet. Now, move the fish slightly away from the magnet using one hand and adjust the length of the thread by rotating the wooden spindle with the other hand. You can take your parents' help for this. The length of the thread should be adjusted in such a way that the fish neither sticks to the neodymium magnet nor does it fall down. Isn't it amazing to see your fish flying magnetically? When the paper clip made up of iron is brought close to the magnet, it gets attracted and sticks to the magnet. But when it is tied up with the thread, the attraction causes it to move towards the magnet. But the thread keeps it restricted up to a certain length. Due to this, the paper clip and the fish seem to fly in the air. Magnets attract objects made of iron, cobalt and nickel towards them. Materials that are attracted towards the magnet are known as magnetic materials. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.